Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the file size and target size in KB so you know how aggressive compression must be. Once done, pick a suitable tool. 7-zip for archives, Handbrake for video, or image compressors for photos. These offer control over quality. Make sure to back up the original file now. You will need it if quality drops too far. I'll show settings next that trade size for quality and why each control matters. Now you execute the middle steps. Adjust resolution, bitrate, or image quality to reach KB ranges. Lowering bitrate or resizing has the biggest impact for videos, while reducing JPEG quality or using WebP works for images. For archives, set compression to maximum or enable solid mode for many small files. That improves ratio. Use a sample compress to preview results and iterate. If size still too high, combine methods. Resize then re-encode or split into smaller parts. Finish by checking the final file size in KB and playing or viewing it to confirm acceptable quality. If it looks degraded, restore the backup and choose less aggressive settings, or try a different codec or format conversion because some formats compress more efficiently. Make sure to document the settings that worked. Troubleshooting tip: if compression stalls or size won't drop, split the file into parts or convert to a more compressible format. This usually resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.